Good evening, everybody. Cold winds have really taken over, and they're not going to let go anytime soon. Take a look at the numbers. We're still above 10 miles per hour this time of day. Winds usually calm down, kind of like me right now, ready to take a nap. That being said, the winds are still active, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour, and these winds are going to continue through the overnight. And what's going to happen is our temperatures are in the 20s. Okay, you look at February, that's kind of normal. We can expect an overnight low of about 21 or 24. That's where we are now, but we're going to keep going down, and the winds couple in with this whole equation that feels like 13 in Terre Haute, feels like 14 in Vincennes, and our lows tonight, the actual temperature is expected to get down to 10 to 12 degrees. That being said, if the wind keeps up, which it looks to, and the skies clear, which they look to, and we get the temperatures down to 10, 12, 14 to 15, this is what your wind chills are going to do in the morning. Now, this is going to be the extreme. It won't get any colder than this, but this looks to be kind of the bottom falling out of this thing, getting down to 5 below for a wind chill early tomorrow morning. So wrap yourself up. Don't forget about the pets this time of year. Bring them in. Give them somewhere warm to go for the night. 3 degrees below in Robinson's what it's looking to feel like with a wind chill for tomorrow morning. We look at the skies above, and the clouds are still pretty much in place, but they're starting to become very, very thin, transparent, if you will, and that's not a good sign. It's kind of like having a blanket over you, but just a blanket with a bunch of holes in it, so you might as well throw the blanket out, and that's what's going to happen. The clouds move out, and with that, the temperatures are going to drop. Okay, let's watch this clock. It's 11 o'clock tonight. We'll put this into hour by hour into tomorrow morning. We mentioned overnight lows near 10 degrees. We'll get down to 10 to 12. We'll have those winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That equation with some fancy math gets the wind chills around 0, and in some locations for a brief time down to about 5 below 0. It's going to be cold outside to start the day tomorrow. But during the day, though, keep the sunglasses handy. It's going to be a little misleading because your daytime highs are going to be near our normal lows. We'll top out in the mid-20s tomorrow. That is it, but we'll have some sunshine around. Thicker clouds out east, more sunshine out into the west into Illinois. Better looking day out that way. Now, as we transition here into early Thursday morning, okay, this is getting a couple days ahead of us. We're getting into Thursday. There's a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of snow. There's a whole bunch of mixed precipitation, wintry mix. Trying to move into Missouri. This is on Thursday morning. For us, we're quiet. We're cold at about 17 degrees. We go through the day not bad, but we're going to watch this system just build and approach, and as it does, it's going to do a couple things. It's going to put down a lot of snow out west, not here, but out west. So it's going to have some energy with it. By 8 o'clock Thursday, our radars are really going to start to show an interesting picture, and by interesting, I mean an event that's got rain, that's got some sleet, that's got some freezing rain, changing over to some snow in it, and that begins Thursday night. That is going to give us some travel trouble spots late Thursday night into Friday morning. Okay, sure, that's a few days out now, but if I can give you some advance notice on that, if you've got some travel plans, maybe rethink things as that system gets closer, and we'll track it for you as it gets in. Full updates each day this week as that system gets closer. We're getting down to 12 tonight. Becoming mostly clear, wind chills down around 0 to -5. Again, that looks to be the coldest they dropped. 25 tomorrow, looking good, but still very cold. Sun will be out. And then again, tomorrow night, 17 under partly cloudy skies. Here's that 7-day forecast. There's your Thursday. Some slick roads Thursday night into early Friday morning. Behind that, the weekend's not bad. Look at Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures come back to average, and we see some sunshine there before another chance for rain. And mild temperatures, that's 51, moves in for your Monday.